This is a quick video on how to replace your stereo for a 1998 Honda Civic DX. Remove two screws located just above the cigarette lighter. Remove the glove compartment like this. There are other screws you need to remove behind the glove compartment. Remove this screw. Remove the left lower dash trim panel. It has one screw here. It has another screw here. And another screw here. Use a flathead screwdriver to pry it out here. The panel should have metal retainers holding it. Now you can remove this screw right here as well. And another screw right on top of that one. I almost forgot this screw as well. This lower center trim panel needs to come off. It will give access to two screws holding the stereo. Remove the lower center panel. You will find two screws here that hold the stereo. You can use an 8mm socket as well to remove them, or a Phillips screwdriver. Now you can finally remove the factory stereo. You can unclip the stereo plug with a flathead screwdriver. Then you can remove the antenna cable. I will leave the link to buy the stereo harness in the description. You can watch another video of how I installed a stereo. It is very simple. Even you can do it. Basically, you are matching colored wires. Yellow with yellow, red with red, black with black, striped black and white with striped black and white, and so on. It is very simple. Hit a like if you like this video. Finally, I installed the stereo. This is how it came out.
Can select from